Hi everybody, my name is Maureen Burns. Many of you know me as the previous owner of the Cleveland shop in Cleveland, Ohio for decades. Also the owner of Herbal Sage Tea Company. And now the proud owner of a beautiful historic building in Pomeroy, Ohio. I've branded the building the Brickhouse Apothecary. Now the reason why I've done that is because this place that was saved from the wrecking ball has now become a community center for health and healing in the Village of Pomeroy. This building was a true challenge for me. It needed everything. So immediately we had a roof put on it. New electricity went on, plumbing. And then we started digging into the walls. And that's where we found beautiful things like this, brick, hidden brick. We brought in craftsmen, masonry, lots of time, lots of planning, and so much hard work. I'm really blessed that I have this community of people in this Village of Pomeroy, as well as friends farther and farther away. Many people have come to help me. I have to admit that right now I'm grateful to call this place home. I really am. I didn't think I would ever be able to say that, but I am. Once I got into it and once started renovating it, I was able to bring my business, the Herbal Sage Tea Company, into this building. I was able to build a certified organic facility. So I'm able to bring another business into the town of Pomeroy. We also opened up the space that you're in right now looking at the brick wall as our classroom. So we're starting to do wellness classes, yoga classes. We're bringing in other teachers. We're hoping to spread wellness and health throughout the village and broader into Meigs County and even broader from there. Last year I opened up 2 guest rooms for the Blues Festival. And since then I'm listed on Airbnb offering guest room and guest lodging. Now that's been a little tough in the winter months because it's so cold here that I really can't keep the rooms warm enough. And I sort of, as far as the air conditioning, having a hard time keeping them cool enough. The reason being is my windows. The windows themselves are, like I said, single pane, and they're almost porous. And what's happened too is that because they were old oak window frames, they have shrunk. So not only are we not getting any insulation factors from the glass itself, we're actually getting air coming in because the windows have shrunk. The windows upstairs are a little bit newer. They're probably only 50 years old. So I've invested a lot in plastic and a lot in tape, and we've tried to keep as much of the cold wind out that we can, but we can't. We just can't do it. You'll see a picture in the office of where actually the snow was coming in on the inside of the plastic. So it gives you an idea of how tough it's been. So this is why I'm here today. I'm asking for some financial support to help the Brickhouse Apothecary get windows. I've had Carl here from Quality Windows over and over and over, and negotiating and renegotiating and trying to figure out. And I've got now an estimate of what I need to just replace the windows in the building. I'm going to keep renovating. I'm going to keep improving. I'm hoping that you're going to come and have tea with me one day, or you're going to come and be a guest, or somehow you're going to come up to my door and say, hey Mo, let's do this or let's do that, and I'm going to be able to say yes. But I need some help right now, and I need help with the windows, and that's what I'm here. I'm asking you to help me continue with this vision and with this dream, and help me create more prosperity in the Village of Pomeroy, and help me have a warm place to live and to be able to offer that to my guests and my students and everyone else, including you, if you come. So please follow the link and see what you can do to help out. I'd love to hear from you, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you.